Wow, is it really possible to make your penis bigger simply by using your hand? Has the answer literally smacked me in the face with my own hand? Believe it or not, there are effective exercises that people have been using for many years that can help them increase size. Of course, they do not want to tell you, however, they want you to believe that they are naturally that big. So, is this a myth or is this the truth? Are there actually ways to make your penis much bigger than previously thought? If so, what are some of these exercises? Well, let's start with the principle of doing penis exercises with your hand. These are usually massaging motions that are meant to permanently increase the blood flow that is taking place in your penis. This can actually enlarge the blood flow and enlarge the size of your penis as well. There are also things that you can do to increase your ejaculation control as well. One of the things that you want to consider doing is jelqing. This is probably one of the most proven techniques that have been helping many people increase their size on a regular basis. There are many different ways you can do this, but their end result is determined to give you much greater size and potency in the bedroom. Another thing that will not increase size but will certainly enhance performance dramatically is something that is known as Kegel exercises. Countless studies have proven that these exercises will improve control and will also help control ejaculation as well, helping you last much longer. Enlarge your penis 1 to 4 inches in just a matter of weeks. I managed to grow my penis from 5.2 inches to just over 7.6 inches in a little less than 3 months. No surgery is needed, there are no dangerous pills involved, no painful weights, absolutely no pumps, and completely legitimate proven results. Using the Penis Advantage program, not only will you be able to have increased sexual stamina, increased confidence, but you will experience permanent penis enlargement as well.